Alright guys, how we doing? I just wanted to show you guys where we're at on the mileage out here in the Dodge Ram pickup truck. 229,983, so we are almost to 230,000. Milestone for the truck. Also wanted to get a shot of the flags going back there. Looking real nice. Just made a video for you guys, a second video of me installing the new flags back there. Finished it off with the water repellent spray. It just basically helps with less tearing of the flags, and so that they don't get so waterlogged when it rains. And again, like I said, some of you guys probably might not like me flying the flags while it's raining, but again, you're entitled to your own opinion, just like you're entitled to your amendment rights. And I have a right to fly these flags. I have a right to own this truck. I have the title to this truck. It's my truck. They're my flags. I paid for them. It's not your money. It's not your truck. It's not your flags. So that's basically my opinion on that. But for all you guys that do love it, I have triple the amount of good positive honks than I do negative ones, or people yelling out of their window at me, or whatever the case may be, or bashing in the comments. Again, I don't care. I fly these flags for a reason. I said it in that video, a really good reason, and I think more people should fly it and actually know what the flags represent, rather than just saying you have an American flag or just flying it just because. Like, have an actual valid reason, and back yourself up on it and believe it. Just like with anything else, your other beliefs that you believe in, strongly believe in what you do, strongly believe in what you believe in. And this is something that I believe in. It's something that makes me, and I don't like to really say this a whole lot because I am that humble type of person, but it makes me a lot better of a good human being than a lot of other people. And that's just by how I treat people. I treat people how I want to be treated, plain and simple, and you guys should too. But just another update on the truck and where we were at. 229,984 miles, almost to 230,000. Thank you guys for watching. I will update you once the truck goes into that 229,998-ish mark, so that we can watch it together hit that 230,000 miles. 2001 Dodge Ram pickup truck, 1500. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.